Hello and welcome to IT Works. In my previous video I've shown how the escapement wheel was broken on my RICOH, and this one is about the spare parts I ordered from eBay. The listing said it's for parts and spares, and it came from India in this really terrible condition. As you can see, you can barely make out the logo on the back, and the crystal is scratched up beyond repair. Looking at the dial, it is in no better shape. So I tried to blow some air on the balance to see if it works, just to check if the train of wheels will work and probably the escapement that I need is working. It stopped immediately, so I did a round of demagnetizer, and I had a very quick visual inspection on the parts just to check what could go wrong. Well, the dial is in dire shape. Taking the hands off, I noticed that the dial feet are just broken off and it's all scratched up and basically useless. The movement, however, is in okay shape, but there is no way of saving this plastic crystal, and since it's an oblong oval shape, I don't think I even try to find anything. So it's a bit rusty and a bit rustic, but seems to be pretty well. The main parts are working. I just grabbed the balance then, honestly not too carefully, and I threw the entire balance complete into isopropyl alcohol, let it dry. In the meantime, I checked the train of wheels. They worked nice, they are not stuck, and lo, it just runs straight away. If I can pick up a new dial and crystal, I might just restore it. Till then, ta-da!